Alright, so I just received this package in the mail, and this is the CARABC motorcycle, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay screen. So this has a 5-inch IPS display with an IPX7 waterproof rating. Inside the box you're going to have a couple of things, most notably the mounting bracket. It has, if you look, you see there's multiple different shims and spacers for different handlebar sizes. I found that using all the spacers was best for my handlebars, but it goes larger for bigger handlebars. This is the waterproof power box. It connects directly to your battery with an inline 5-amp fuse. This is the part that actually attaches to your handlebar, and inside that ring is where you put the little shims for different sized bars. This is a screen to keep the glare off of your device, and this is an additional cord they provided to connect it using USB power. I didn't really show a lot of the installation process here, but I used all of the shims available because I have the smallest bar size possible, but it was super straightforward. It just clamped onto my handlebar, and then I ran the wire back to my battery by taking off one of the plastic pieces.
Alrighty, so you might notice I got a little something new on the bike. I got this navigation system in the mail the other day, and I just finished putting it on. The installation wasn't too bad. The hardest part was just running the wires from the battery up to the front of the bike, and all I did was just pull off this little plastic piece here and run it underneath the gas tank, pop it out right next to the handlebars, and come on up with it. When you first turn it on, you're going to need to pair it to your phone via Bluetooth. But after you pair it to your phone, if you're paired to your Sena via Bluetooth, it plays the music and stuff automatically into your Sena. So some of you may already know, but I'm a really big anti-phone mount guy. I don't like the idea of phone mounts. I don't like the idea of having my phone on a mount. So that's why I really like these, because the idea of having my phone mounted here, like if I crash and the bike goes this way and I go this way and I'm laying in that ditch right there with a broken arm, broken leg, whatever, and I'm not able to get to my phone, that's, you know, that much longer that I have to wait before I call for help in the event that, you know, I'm somewhere where somebody didn't see me crash. Like, I've seen way too many videos of people's phones being mounted here and then just falling right off. Alright, so we got the music paused. This allows me to play the music from right here, skip the music, or go to Spotify Home and pick some... Oh, nope, that's not the Spotify Home. Or I can just pull up Spotify entirely and look for something new. Right? I can do that. I think I can do that. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. So then you can pull up Spotify and look for something new entirely. And then they got the GPS system. And this is the part that I'm most excited about. Because if I get, you know, mixed up or lost or something, I like being able to just pull my GPS up. Let's use the gas station I'm heading to go get gas. We start the trip. It says 7 minutes. It tells me when I'm supposed to get there. So it says I should be there at 12:25. Maybe we can beat it. Oh yeah, we shaved 2 full minutes off the GPS. But yes, a couple cool things is it's got, you know, Google Maps on it, so it's got all the standard Google Maps features, like it tells you the speed limit on the road, and if there's speed traps anywhere, it tells you about accidents and the fastest route, and all that cool stuff. Which is nice, but what I really like is just having a map in front of me, because then I can, like, see what roads cut through and connect to what. I can kind of create my own shortcuts. Something I do want to mention, though, is the screen is a little dark. When we were driving earlier, during, like, the really bright part of the day, it was a little difficult to see the screen. But yeah, we shaved 4 minutes off the GPS. So you hit the phone call button, and then you got all your contacts here, and you can call anyone from your contacts, but you can also go to your recents and call the last person you called. I can't go to my recents, because then I'm going to put everyone's phone number on the internet. It's also got games. The app is only available when parked. See, I like that. This one here said the app is only available when parked when I try to load up the game. The other GPS system that I got, it allowed you to play the games while you're driving. Now, hopefully you'd be responsible enough not to play, but I do appreciate the additional safety features that prevent people from doing stupid shit. So, it's got a handful of apps on here. Discord, messages, you can check your text messages. I believe that's Facebook messages as well. You got YouTube Music. You can listen to any of your YouTube Music. I believe you have to download YouTube Music, though. I don't know how YouTube Music works. I've never used it. Yeah, I think you got to download the music or something. So you got YouTube Music. You got Google Maps, Google News, Google Reminders. A green light. Oh, shit. So it has my notifications down here in the bottom right. Down here in the bottom right. So we got our notifications in the bottom right, and for instance, I can click this Discord notification. Who are you?
I forgot. Who are you?
I forgot. Who are you?
You want to reply?
And it has some preset options using, I don't know what they use to create the preset options, but it says, who are you? I don't know, and custom reply. I don't really have time to type out a custom reply, or honestly, I don't really have time to reply to that in general. But yeah, since it syncs with your phone, it's automatically got the correct time. Functionally, this GPS and the other GPS system are very similar to one another. The other GPS is a bit more expensive, but the other GPS also has a much larger screen at 7 inches. This one's only 4 inches. And the other GPS has a significantly brighter screen, which is good and bad. It's good because this one's a little difficult to read, especially during the day, but at night I'm sure it'll be just fine to read because it's going to be, you know, everything else will be dark and this is going to be bright. Whereas the other GPS system is really bright at night. Like, so bright that I don't even really want to turn it on.